Let's assume this one. In the today's session here, one important interview panel question is there. Kazal, you asked so many days back, 1 month back, you asked one question to me. Sir, what is the difference between spread operator and rest parameter? You asked one question so many days back. I hope. Let me see this one. That interview panel question we need you to see. Fine. File. Okay, anyhow, leave it. This folder we need you to see. The question is what is the question? Spread. Spread operator. Spread operator, spread and rest parameter. The question is what is the difference between what is the difference between spread operator and rest parameter? So this is one of the interview panel question. Spread and rest.html. Fine. Sai Kumar. Fine. Now observe this one. Guys, in JavaScript, especially in ES6 version, in which version? ES6 version. Here itself, one symbol is there. Which symbol? Dot symbol. Guys, based on the situation, some people they are calling spread operator. Based on the situation, some people they are calling rest parameter. Are a single person, two names here. Single person, the person is a single name here. Yes or not? Based on the situation, this operator we can call spread operator. And based on the application situation, this operator we can call rest operator. Single person, two names. Remember that point. I think some people they're calling spread operator, some people they're calling the rest parameter. It doesn't matter. Fine. When to call the spread operator and when to call the rest parameter. Say this one. For example, Sandeep, say this one. For example, this is one script tag. I have two arrays. Sai Kumar.
Yes, sir.
I have the two arrays. Let array 1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Let array 1 equal to, here itself we should be in a position we need to specify 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Next one, let array 2 equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6. Sandeep, I wanted to join these two arrays. I wanted to merge it.
Yes, sir.
Array 1, array 2, I wanted to merge it. So if you wanted to merge, how can I merge it? Let array 3 equal to dot array 1 dot array 2. So Madhav, we are using this operator for merging purpose na?
Yes,
sir.
If we are using this operator for merging purpose, at that time this operator we can call spread operator. We are using for what? Only merging operation. If we are using that operator for concatenation purpose, at that time we can call spread operator. Don't call the rest parameter. Never call the rest parameter. We can call spread operator. Fine. Can I print the array 3?
yes.
Can I print the array 3? Console dot log of array 3. Console dot log of array 3. Guys, can I run this one here? Let me run this one. Once if you run here, Ankita, say this one here. What is the output you are getting, Ankita? Ankita, what is the output we are getting here? All the elements are merged now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Ankita, you are using spread operator for which purpose? Concatenation purpose.
Concatenating, sir.
You are using 3 dots for concatenation purpose. If
Yes,
you are
sir.
using 3 dots for concatenation purpose, at that time that operator what do you call? Spread operator.
Spread
Don't call the
Rest.
rest parameter. Fine. Next one. And one more point. One more point is not only that one. Sandeep, just to take the script tag.
Yes.
We need to take the script tag. Let me take the script tag. So this is the script tag. Can I take obj1? Can I take obj1? Why not? Here itself, we should be in a position we need to place the obj1. Let obj1 equal to, see this one here. Here itself, it contain the name. Name equal to what you wanted to specify, Ashok IT. Name equal to Ashok IT here. Next one is the subject equal to, we should be in a position we need to specify the Java. Name equal to Ashok IT. Subject equal to what? Subject equal to Java. Next one, see this one here. Cost equal to we need to specify the some 7,000 something we have. Okay na? Fine. Now can I create the obj2? Tell me here.
Yes, sir.
Let obj2. Let obj2 equal to, say this one here, name equal to what? Name equal to Ashok IT. Name equal to Ashok IT here. Say this one here, subject equal to what you wanted to specify, Angular. Next one, cost equal to what is the cost here? Cost equal to 7,000. Guys, can you tell the comparisons, obj1 and obj2 comparisons? Which one is the different? Which one is the different? Is the name common?
Yes,
Common.
sir.
You know, obj1 and obj2 name is common. Name
Common.
equal to Ashok
Yes,
IT, name equal to
subject
Ashok
is
IT.
different.
Subject
Cost
difference.
also, cost also common. Cost equal to
Yes.
7,000. Cost also 7,000. Unnecessarily, you are writing 2 times na.
Yes.
Yes.
So to
Yes.
overcome these kind of repeated code, can I delete this one? Delete this
Yes.
one. Can I delete this one? Can I delete
Yes.
this one here? Which one
Yes,
we need
sir.
to delete here?
Cost.
Which one we need to delete?
Cost.
Cost. Both are
Cost.
repeated na.
Yes.
Both are repeated na. Don't repeat it here. So instead of placing like this, and here itself we need to use the dot obj1. Okay na. So obj2 getting everything from obj1.
obj1.
After getting everything, it will modify what? Java to
Subject.
Angular.
Angular.
Java to Angular. Guys, listen, you people need to listen 1 second here. Guys, obj2 is there now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
obj2 wanted to get everything. obj2 wanted to get everything here. How to get everything here? Dot
obj1.
obj1. obj2 wanted to modify what?
Subject.
Subject. So subject equal to, and here itself we need to place the Angular.
Angular.
We need to place the what? We need to place the Angular. So that is also one more advantage of the dot operator. When guys, obj2 getting what? obj2 getting everything from the obj1.
obj1.
Everything here, it is getting everything from the obj1. obj2 changing what? Java to Angular.
Angular.
Java to Angular here. So this is also one more advantage of the dot operator. Guys, while doing these kind of manipulations also, we can call this operator, we can call spread operator. While doing these kind of manipulations also, simply we can call spread operator. Ankita, please tell me here. Ankita, say this one, obj2 is there na?
Yes, sir.
Ankita,
Yes, sir.
obj2 wanted to get everything from obj1. Wanted to get
Yes, sir.
everything from the obj1. How we can
Yeah.
get it here? Dot
OBJ.
obj1. Sandeep, which parameter obj2 wanted to update? Which parameter? Subject na?
Subject.
Subject equal to Java na? Java we need to
Subject.
convert it to what?
Angular.
Angular. So we are using dot operator to modify the existed data na?
Yes.
Existed data.
Yes.
So at that situation also we can call this a dot operator. We can call the spread operator. Okay na? Can I print the obj1 or obj2?
Yes,
How
sir.
to print it?
Yes.
Console.log of obj1, console.log of obj1. Next one is the console.log of obj2, console.log of obj1. Next one is the console.log of obj1. Next one is the console.log of obj2. Okay now.
Yes.
Yes. Now guys, try to run this one here. We need to run this one. Guys, obj1 contain what? Respond. obj1 contain what? Anyone?
Name.
obj1
Name,
obj1 contain
subject,
name,
cost.
name, subject, cost na?
Yes.
Yes.
Name, subject, cost. obj2 contain what?
obj1 and Angular.
No, Java won't be there na. Instead of Java, what we have?
Angular.
Angular we have.
Angular.
In the above thing, what we have here? Java is there na?
Yes.
Java. In the below thing, what we have here? Angular. So guys, in these two scenarios, that dot operator, technically what do you call? Technically what do you call? Spread operator. Technically we can call. Technically we can call spread operator.
Spread
Okay.
operator.
Okay now, can I
Yes,
go for another example?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me go for another example. And here itself, we need to go for another example. Can I take the script tag here?
Yes.
Can I take the script tag as I'll say this one? Can I take the script tag? Why not? Here itself, we should be in a position. We need to take the what? And here itself, we should be in a position. We need to take the script tag here. So let me take the script tag here. Fine. Now say this one here. Here itself, after taking the script tag, say this one here. Function one. Function one. Fine. Yeah, Sandeep, you don't know how many parameters you wanted to supply. You don't know. Parameter 1, parameter 2, parameter, you don't know. I think you don't have the clarity how many parameters you need to pass. See this one. Sometimes you need to pass the 2 parameters. Sometimes you need to pass the 3 parameters. Sometimes you need to pass the 100 parameters. So these parameters are varying. When Sandeep say this one, first time how many parameters you wanted to pass? 2.
2 parameters.
2. Later, how many parameters you need to pass? Argument 1, comma, argument 2, comma, argument 3, comma, argument 4. How many parameters you need to pass? 4. So later, how many parameters you need to pass? 10. We don't have the clarity. How many parameters we need to supply? We don't have the clarity. So at that time, we need to take that 3 dots operator here. Say this one. This arg, whatever the n is there, assume here, what are the variable we have here? This variable behaves like array. Whatever the variable we have here, this variable behaves like what? Array. So what is the capability of this array? To hold n number of values. To hold how many values here? To hold n number of values.
Number of values.
Say this one here. If you are using this operator with the functions, at that time, this operator we can call rust operator. Guys, catch my point now?
Yes, sir.
Guys, where we are using this operator? We are using this operator along with the functions or not. If you use along with the functions, at that time, we can call rust parameter. Fine. Sandeep, can I print the number here? Can I print the number here? Console dot log of n. Yes. Can I call the function 1? Can I call the function 1? Can I pass only one parameter?
Yes, sir.
Respond here. Can I pass the only one parameter? Yes, sir. This parameter stored into where? This parameter stored into where? 0th position now.
Yes, sir.
This
Zero.
parameter
Yes,
stored
sir.
into where? What are the parameter we have here? The parameter stored into 0th position here. Yes or not? For now, say this one here. And here itself, can I call the function 1? Function 1. 10 comma 20 na? Yes, sir. 10 stored into where? 0th position. 10 stored into where? 0th position. 20 stored into where? First position. Yeah, see this one here. And here itself, function 1 of 10, 20, 30 here. 10 stored into where? 10 stored into where? 0th position. 10 stored into 0th position. 20 stored into 20 stored into first position, and 30 stored into second position. So we don't have the clarity regarding these parameters now. First time I'm passing the one parameter. Second time I'm passing two parameters. Third time we are passing 3 parameters now.
Yes.
That time we are passing the 3 parameters. First time we are passing the 1 parameter. Later we are passing the 2 parameters. Later we are passing the 3 parameters here. So if we are using that parameter along with the function, at that time this parameter, what do you call? Rust parameter.
Rust parameter.
Okay, na Sai Kumar, respond Sai Kumar. Sai Kumar,
Yes, sir.
little bit, not this
Sir.
one. I think no, Devaram Sai Kumar Reddy. Little bit unhappy.
Yes, sir.
The reason is the Sai Kumar. If the person asked unknown questions, if you are unable to say the answer, okay, happy. Because you don't know that one. Known questions, if you are unable to tell the answer, literally unhappy here. Remember that point. Sai Kumar,
Yes.
find the
Yes, sir.
second max element, find the second min element. Literally unhappy here.
With
Remember that
sorting
point.
we can find.
No, not sorting
sir.
here, because you are unable to tell the answer na. Because there's a literally unhappy point.
I
Remember that.
Yes.
No more arguments. Yes, Sai Kumar Reddy. No, if the person asked here, you need to tell, but no need to prepare anything na. If you prepare all these files, you can answer. If
Yes,
you
sir.
prepare all these files, 100% you can answer. Guys, not only that person, all the people here. If you prepare all these files, definitely if the interview panel asking 10 questions here, 6 to 7 questions are coming from this area only. 100% only the guarantee to you guys. I think if you're unable to tell the answer with these questions, that's your problem here. That's your Sai Kumar Reddy. While listening that question from you, little unhappy here. Because the second max element, the second min element in the classroom itself, I told.
Yes, sir.
Next one, guys. So see the another point again. Fine. Sandeep, can I take the script tag?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
take the
sir.
script tag here? Yes, sir. Function, which function? Function 1. Function, and here itself, we have the one function here. Which function we have here? Function 1. Yeah, Sandeep, you know first 3 parameters. You know, say this one here. Argument 1, you know. Argument, you know. Argument 2, you know. Argument 3, you know. First 3 parameters are fixed, Rajkumar. First 3 parameters are fixed. Argument 1, argument 2, argument 3 are fixed. Fixed. Yeah, Sandeep. Later you don't know. After the argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, later you don't know. So because of that reason, we need to take what argument 4. Ankita, see this one here. How many parameters are fixed? Ankita,
Three.
how many
Three
parameters are
parameters.
fixed? 3. Argument 1, argument 2, argument 3
Argument
fixed.
3.
Ankita, you know,
Yes, sir.
argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, you know.
Yes,
Later
sir.
you don't know. Later you don't know. Later you may pass one parameter, you may pass two parameters, you may pass three parameters, you know. So because of that reason, in this situation also, at that time, this dot technical what they call rust parameter. Okay, now guys, getting the
Sir.
meanings na.
Yes, sir.
Guys, one point is the guys, this dot contain the two names here. This dot contain the two names. What is the first name? Spread operator. What is the next name? What is the next name?
Rust
Parameter. Kazal getting a point now. No
Yes,
differences.
sir.
Kazal, based
Yes,
on the
sir.
situation, we can decide whether it is
Situation.
based
Yes.
on the situation here. See this one here. Kazal, you know argument 1, argument 2, argument 3. You know the rest of the parameters. You don't know argument 4, argument 5, argument 6. You don't know that one. So at that time, to handle that situation, what we have here, dot rest. So Kazal, can I call the rest parameter or spread operator now?
Rest parameter.
Rest parameter here. Fine. Now see this one can hear itself. Can I print it again? Can I print it
Console
again?
dot,
Console
yes.
dot log off. Console dot log off. See this one again. Argument 1 comma, argument 2 comma, argument 3 comma, argument 3 comma. Next one is the dot. What you wanted to specify? Rust. Fine. Sandeep, can I call the function 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, let me call the function 1. Function 1 of 10 comma 20 comma 30. Sandeep, 10 stored into where?
Argument
Argument
1.
Argument 1. 20 stored into?
Argument 2.
Argument 2. 30 stored into?
Argument 3.
Argument 3.
Argument 3. Argument 3. 40 stored into?
Argument 4.
Rest.
No. 40 stored into?
Rest.
Rest.
Rust of which position?
Zeroth position.
Zero
Zeroth
position.
position. Rust of which position? Zeroth position.
Zeroth position.
Is rust stored into zeroth position. Okay.
Zeroth position.
Fine. Next one. Can I call the function 1 once again?
Yes, sir.
Can I call the function 1 once again? Let me call the
Yes.
function 1 once again. 10, 20. 10, 20. Next one is the 30, 40, 50. Sandeep, 10 stored into?
Argument 1.
Argument 1.
Argument 1. 20 stored into?
Argument 2.
Argument 2. 30 will be stored into?
Argument 3.
Argument 3. Argument 3. 40 stored into Ankita? 40 stored into?
Rest of
Rest.
zeroth position.
Rest of
Zeroth
zeroth
position.
position. 50
Zeroth
stored
position.
into?
Rest of first
Rest
position.
of
Rest of
first position.
Rest of first position. Rest of this is the zeroth position. This is the first position. Okay. Sandeep, you got the clarity now?
Yes,
we
sir.
don't have the clarity after the three parameters. We don't have the clarity at that time. We need to use rest parameter. At that time, at that situation, this one we can call rest parameter. Okay, now fine. Now see
Yes,
this
sir.
one here. One more point. One more point is the let me go for the one more example. We need to go for the one more example. Can I take the script tag?
Sir.
Can I take the script tag here? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sandeep, say this one here. Function 1. Function 1. Dot n. This n behaves like what? This
Rest
n behaves
parameter.
like what? Arena.
Array, yes.
Yeah, array zeroth position, array first position, array second position. It doesn't matter.
Yes.
N directly behaves like array. See this one. Console dot log of n. Direct array na? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I call the function 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Function one of.
We need to call. Am I passing anything?
No.
No.
So empty array na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
MTR.
Yes.
Are we getting the empty array na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sandeep, n behaves like what?
Array.
Array. N behaves like array. Just remember that point. That's one of the interview panel question also. What is the default value of n? What is the default value? Empty array.
MTR.
Empty array. Remember that point again. Fine. Guys, so I will go for one more objective question here. Before the class itself, I send the one more objective question. Fine. Guys, so say this one again. Can I take the script tag?
Yes, sir.
Rajkumar, can I take the script tag? Yes,
Sir.
let me take the script tag. What are the script tag we have here? We need to take the script tag here. Let me take the script tag here. So after taking the script tag, guys, after taking the script, Ankita respond here. After taking the script tag here, can I create the function? Ankita, can I create the function?
Yes,
Function,
sir.
function 1.
Yes,
Ankita,
sir.
are you passing any parameters here?
No,
No.
sir.
No,
No,
see this
sir.
one. Ankita, function 1 of 10. Is it valid?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Sandeep, is it valid? No,
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 sir.
Sandeep,
No,
No,
because,
no.
because
no.
no
There
argument
is
one.
nothing argument.
Yes, sir.
No
Yes.
argument here. See this one here. Next one. Can I pass the 20 here?
Sir.
Can I pass the 20 here? See this one here. And here is a 20, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 here. Guys, is it valid?
No,
sir.
No,
No,
yeah,
sir.
no. But internally in a JavaScript, internally in a JavaScript, we have one predefined object. That object we can call arguments object. Fine. See this one here. Even though if we are not holding that data, even though if you are not holding that data in JavaScript, internally we have one predefined object. That predefined object we can call arguments object.
Okay.
Sandeep, are you catching 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 something here? No.
No, sir.
No. Are you catching the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 here? No.
No, sir.
Even though, Sandeep, even though if you forget to catch the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, internally JavaScript will catch that one. How JavaScript will catch that one? With the help of what? Arguments
Argument
object. Guys, is a JavaScript object based language?
Yes, sir.
Is a
Yes.
JavaScript object
Object
based
based.
language?
Yes.
What is the
Yes, sir.
predefined object? Can I do the
Argument.
predefined object?
Argument.
Yes.
What is the predefined object? The
Arguments.
predefined object is the arguments. These
Yes.
arguments will hold the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Fun. Try to check the proof here. Yes, catching or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's catching or not? So see this one here. You forget to place the argument one,
Yes.
argument two, argument. But JavaScript internally catching or not? Internal
Yes,
catching
Yes.
with the
Yes,
help of
sir.
one
With the help of
predefined object.
predefined object.
Yeah, with the help of one predefined object. The predefined object we can call. The
Arguments.
predefined object we can call
Argument.
arguments. Okay,
Arguments.
na? But see this one here. Arguments also one array na.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Correct, sir.
One
But
array.
yeah, guys, no, here in the browser it is showing array here, but this is not the array. In the browser here, it is showing the array, but this is not the array. Okay, now guys, so that's one of the sensitive point we need to catch. Guys, you people told me like, sir, this is the array. You are saying that point now.
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes.
saying that, sir, this
Yeah,
is the
the
array.
zero
Yes, sir.
position, one
Yeah,
position.
see this one. You are saying to me, sir, this is the array. Yes or no? But internally,
sir.
this is not the array. So maybe in the upcoming feature here, in the upcoming versions here, JavaScript will fix that bug. But by seeing physically, we are feeling like this is the array. Yes or not? This is the
Yes,
array.
sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
this is not the array. Maybe in the upcoming versions here, maybe I didn't say the ES13 version here. Maybe in that version they fixed that one here. But in the upcoming versions, we are looking for the fixation of this error here. Fine, this bug here. So, but it's not the array, guys. But looks like array. But we need to convert to array once again or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Arguments we need to convert to array once again here.
Array
So
dot.
how can I convert it here? Array dot listen
Array
here.
dot from.
Array dot listen here.
Dot.
Array dot prototype
Dot.
prototype
from.
dot slice dot which one here? Call what you wanted to specify. Arguments comma you need to call from the 0th position onwards now.
Yes. Yes.
You need to call from the 0th position onwards now. So arguments contain 0th position na. From the 0th position onwards you need to call or not. And you need to bring to out or not. Guys, slice means what? You need to bring to out or not. You need
Yes,
to
sir.
bring to out here. See this one here, and here itself we are getting the array here. Can I print this array now?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
print this array now? Console dot log off. Console dot log off array here. Console dot log off array here. Now we are getting the array here. Yes. Now we got the perfect array or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We got the perfect array or not? Guys, see this one here. Guys, you people need to tell here. Guys, how to catch 10, 20, 30, 40, 50?
Argument.
I think you
Arguments.
forget. No, you forget to catch it now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But if you forget to catch it again, internally
Console dot log off.
JavaScript
Dot
engine,
log
internally
in.
JavaScript engine
Arguments.
will catch it or not.
Arguments.
Yes, arguments.
Internally JavaScript engine will catch it here. So how it can catch?
The
How
help
it
of
can catch it
arguments.
here? With the help of
By the
arguments. Na.
predefined objects.
With
Yes.
the help of arguments, it will catch or not? It will catch it here.
Yes.
So, but it looks like arena.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But it's not the array, guys. It looks like array, but this is not the array. So that is one of the problem of what? That's one of the problem of the JavaScript. So this structure we need to convert to array once again now. Yes,
Yes.
how to convert it here? How to convert
Array
it here?
dot.
To convert it here,
Let
array dot
equal to
Prototype.
prototype dot slice dot
slice
call.
dot slice dot call off what you
Call
want
of
to specify.
arguments.
Arguments comma
Arguments.
0.
Zero.
Arguments comma
Zero.
0 here.
Let
Arguments
AR
comma 0. So console dot log off. Console dot log off. Try to say this one again. Console dot log off arguments of 0. So perfect array is ready or not?
Yes.
Perfect array is
Yes.
ready here. But unnecessarily we need to convert this data to the array na. But additional
sir.
work na. But instead
sir.
of this one, if I take the
Dot
instead
dot
of this one, if I take
Dot
the
dot
dot
n.
dot n,
Yes.
direct array we are getting or not?
Direct array, sir. Direct array.
Yes,
Directly we are getting the
direct
array or not? Direct array we are
Yes.
getting.
Direct
So
we can
guys,
put the
in the interview panel here, nowadays they're asking this question again. What is the difference between this approach to and this approach? What is the difference? Arguments, not array. It looks like array, but this is not the array.
What are
But this arguments you need to convert to array explicitly or not.
Yes,
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
But if you take the dot, no need to convert it here. No need to convert it here. Yes or not? So
Yes,
sir.
unnecessarily we need to write the code here. But if you go for the rest parameter dot, no need to write the code here. So this answer you need to tell the interview panel guys. So this is also one of the repeated question in the interview panel. Guys, will you tell confidently in the interview panel what is the question we have?
Yes, sir.
What is the question we have? What is the difference between spread operator and
Spread on rest
spread
operator.
operator and rest
Rest
parameter?
operator.
Spread operator and rest parameter.
Rest
So that
parameter.
is also one more difference here. And another interview panel question is, what is the difference between rest parameter and arguments? Rest parameter and arguments. This is also one more interview panel question is there. Okay now?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, please remember this one. Guys, that regular expressions, guys, regular expressions here, I'm not teaching in depth here, but let me see the some basic information. Regular expressions, regular expressions, some basic information I will tell you. Guys, can I restart the meeting ID? If I restart the meeting ID, we are getting the 2 videos, guys. Can I restart the meeting ID? Will you join within 2 minutes of time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, because
Yes, sir.
if I restart the meeting ID, then we are getting the new video, because I think the spread operator it in the separate video. Can I restart it here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
Yes,
guys,
sir.
please join the session within 2 minutes. Don't run immediately. Please exit from the class itself or join it once again, because we are getting the separate video for that one.